Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When an aromatic compound undergoes electrophilic aromatic nitration, the number of mononitration products depends on the symmetry of the molecule and the directing effects of the substituents already present. Moving on to the next step. Analyze each C8H10 isomer for the number of distinct mononitration products. A. Ethylbenzene, the ethyl group is an ortho-para director. Nitration can occur at ortho, 2 equivalent positions, para, 1 position, and meta, 2 equivalent positions but less favored. Considering symmetry, ortho gives 1 product, para gives 1 product, and meta gives 1 product, that is 3 distinct products. Does not fit. B. Orthoxylene, 1,2-dimethylbenzene. The 2 methyl groups are both ortho-para directors. The ring positions available are C3, C4 and C5. C6 is equivalent to C3 by symmetry, and C1, C2 are occupied. By the symmetry of orthoxylene, position 3 and position 6 are equivalent, position 4 and position 5 are equivalent. Wait, let us label carefully. In 1,2-dimethylbenzene, methyls at C1 and C2. Free positions C3, C4, C5, C6. Due to the mirror plane, C3, C6 and C4, C5. So there are only 2 distinct positions for nitration, 3/6 and 4/5, giving exactly 2 mononitration products. This fits the evidence perfectly. C. Metaxylene, 1,3-dimethylbenzene methyls at C1 and C3. Free positions C2, C4, C5, C6. By symmetry, C2 is unique between the 2 methyls, C4, C6, ortho to one methyl, para to the other, and C5 is unique, para to both. Actually between them on the far side. So positions C to C4 is equal to C6 and C5, that gives 3 distinct products. Does not fit. D. Paraxylene, 1,4-dimethylbenzene methyls at C1 and C4. Free positions C to C3, C5, C6. By symmetry all 4 are equivalent, C to C3, C5, C6. Only 1 distinct mononitration product. Does not fit. And for the final step. Only orthoxylene gives exactly 2 mononitration products, matching the experimental observation. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.